Hey, welcome to my video. Thank you for tuning on to my channel again. Today actually I want to introduce about these two new gadgets that I just bought. It's a Joby 3K Pro Kit. This is actually a better quality from the previous version. The 3K Pro Kit version, actually the joint part, socket part actually is made of aluminium and it's more steady compared to the previous version. I would highly recommend this because this is very flexible and it's more sturdy actually to hold on to any of the surface if you actually mount it correctly. I would highly recommend this for traveler like to travel light. This is a very flexible item to have when you travel overseas. Price wise actually this is a bit high, but it's actually well worth the money because of the build. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment to me what you all think about this product and have you all used this product and how this product actually performs when you use it. Thank you very much. The second item actually I want to recommend is this PGYTECH mobile phone holders for the Osmo Pocket. This one I've been considered quite long to actually get this because of the price wise. It's not really expensive, only $25, but I find that outside they do have a cheaper alternative, but eventually I get this one because it's the same thing, because I look for quality. You have a very good quality on the handphone holders, but as for the Osmo Pocket holder, it's a plastic. I believe that it just don't want to scratch the Osmo Pocket material, because if it's made in metal it will be easily scratched the Osmo Pocket. Do enjoy the video. Let me know actually what you all think about this product and do make a comment below. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. We have come to the end. Hope you liked the video. See you next video.